In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a black screen with a cursor on Windows 10 or 11. This is a common issue that can happen due to various reasons. But don't worry, we have a straightforward process to walk you through. First, let's try a quick refresh of your graphics driver, which could resolve the problem immediately. Press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B all at the same time. This combination tells the computer to reset the display driver. You'll know this worked if you hear a short beep and see the screen flicker. This simple step can often solve the issue by refreshing the graphics driver. If that doesn't solve it, let's check the system's responsiveness. Press Control, Alt, and Delete together. From the blue screen that appears, select Task Manager. If the Task Manager opens, this means your system is responsive, and you can use it to identify or close any unresponsive applications. If it doesn't open, move on to the next step. Sometimes the black screen results from display output settings. Press the Windows key and P to bring up the display settings menu, then press P again followed by Enter. This will cycle through different display modes, such as PC screen only or second screen only, resolving display output issues for those using multiple monitors. Next, if none of these steps have worked, you might need to perform a hard restart. Simply turn off your computer completely by holding down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures everything is fully shut down and once restarted can resolve minor glitches causing the black screen. If you're still facing issues, accessing Safe Mode or Windows Recovery Environment, often referred to as WinRE, could help. Safe Mode starts your computer with a minimal set of drivers and services. To access it, repeatedly press F8 during startup until the Advanced Boot Options menu appears, and then choose Safe Mode from the list. As a last resort, if none of these solutions work, restoring your system to a previous date or resetting the PC might be necessary. If you've created a system restore point before the issue occurred, restoring it could revert your system to a functioning state. If no restore points exist, you can reset your PC to factory settings, choosing to keep or remove your personal files. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps useful for fixing the black screen issue. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.